Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make text bold on iPhone messages. So if you want to bold in text while sending messages on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to make text message bold on iPhone messages, all you need to do is go ahead and open the messages app on your iPhone and then select the chat you want to send message to. Mark you need to use iMessage for this to work for you. So make sure you go ahead and open iMessage. Then make sure the person is using iMessage, otherwise you'll not be able to use both or bolding text on your iPhone. Then go ahead and type your message. So I'm gonna say this is a bold test. Then once you type whatever you want to type here, highlight the text you want to make bolded like this. Then swipe through this pop and click on text effects. Once you click on that, locate bold here and then click on, which is the bolding B. Click on that. Then go ahead and click on the send button. Once you hit the send button, you see the highlighted text bolded. And if you want to bolding all the text on the iMessage, make sure you select all the text, select text effect, and make sure you selected bolded. Then click on send. Then you see the text bolding on your iMessage app. So that is basically how to make text bold on iPhone message. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.